Imagine this, you're all set for your trip, bags packed, ready to go, excitement building up as you think about your destination and the adventures that await you. And then, out of nowhere, you get a message from Air France. Your flight has been cancelled. All those plans suddenly seem to crumble. It's incredibly frustrating, and you might feel helpless in that moment. But don't worry, you're not alone in this situation. Many travelers face this issue, and the good news is you have rights. There are steps you can take to ensure you're compensated and taken care of. Whether you got the notification before leaving home or found out at the airport, knowing your air passenger rights can help you get your money back and more. As a traveller within the EU, you are protected by Regulation EC 261/2004, which ensures you are entitled to a full refund if your flight is cancelled. This is true regardless of the reason for the cancellation. Here's a quick breakdown of what you could be owed in various situations when it comes to flight cancellations and changes. If Air France cancels your flight, you're entitled to a full refund. This includes the cost of the ticket and any additional services you may have purchased, such as extra baggage or seat selection. If you cancel within 24 hours of booking, a full refund applies. This is a standard policy across many airlines, allowing you to change your mind without any financial penalty. If you cancel after 24 hours, you may receive a partial refund, covering fees and taxes. The exact amount can vary depending on the airline's policy and the type of ticket you purchased. If you don't use a return flight, you can get a full or partial refund for the unused part. This often depends on the fare rules and whether the ticket was refundable or non-refundable. Always check the terms and conditions before booking. To successfully get your refund, don't accept an offer to rebook. Instead, gather the necessary information such as your booking reference, the flight details, and any additional services you purchased. Then reach out to us at Stop Delay. But what about compensation? If Air France cancels your flight with less than 14 days' notice, you might be entitled to up to €600 in compensation, especially if the alternative flight doesn't match the original schedule closely. Compensation amounts depend on the distance of your flight. Short-haul flights may get up to €250. Medium-haul flights can receive up to €400. Long-haul flights could be eligible for up to €600. Remember, knowing your rights and taking the right steps can make a huge difference. Don't let a cancelled flight ruin your plans. Get the refund and compensation you deserve. Need help with your Air France cancellation, refund, or compensation claim? Don't let the stress of a cancelled flight ruin your travel plans. Contact Stop Delay for expert assistance. Our dedicated team is here to guide you through every step of the process. We help you reclaim up to $700 for delayed and cancelled flights. No win, no fee. Imagine the relief of getting your money back without any hassle. Our user-friendly website makes it easy to start your claim. Just a few clicks and you're on your way to getting compensated. Stop Delay your flight compensation experts. Trust us to turn your travel mishaps into a smooth and rewarding experience.